quick test. I say apple. What happens in your mind? Did you picture an apple? Or did you think the word in your language first? Your answer explains everything. Hello, everyone! Welcome to our channel, Learn English with Class Official, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Burg. We are happy you are again here with us today. Seriously, welcome.
Okay, Burg. I want you to do something for me.
Sure. What?
I'm going to talk to you normally, and I want you to translate everything I say into your language first, then answer me. Out loud. Show us exactly what happens in your brain.
Easy. I can do that.
Great. Ready?
Ready.
So, Burg, what did you have for breakfast this morning?
Okay, so she said breakfast. That means morning food. Okay, morning food. I had eggs. How do I say eggs again? Yes, eggs. And tea.
Burg.
I had eggs and tea.
7 seconds for eggs and tea.
It felt like 30.
This is what I call the translation trap. Most people learning English do this without even realizing it. There are 3 steps happening at the same time. Hear the words, translate into your language, formulate your answer in your language, then translate back into English, then speak.
That's 4 steps?
Exactly. 4 steps every single time someone speaks to you. No wonder it feels slow. No wonder it feels exhausting.
So it's not that I'm bad at English? My brain is just doing too much work?
It's not that you're bad at English. Your brain is doing too much work. And today, we fix that.
Okay, good. Because I was starting to feel personally attacked.
You should feel a little attacked. It was 7 seconds, Burg.
The eggs were worth it.
All right. Here is the fix. I call it concept anchoring.
Concept anchoring. Sounds official.
The idea is simple. Instead of linking an English word to its translation in your language, you link it directly to an image, a feeling, a memory. You cut out the middle step completely.
So instead of apple making me think the word in my language first,
You see the apple. Red, shiny. Maybe you can almost taste it. The word apple connects straight to the thing, not to another word.
Okay. Apple. Okay, I think I see it actually.
Stay with it.
That was weirdly fast.
That's the point. Now let's try something harder. The word freedom.
Okay. Freedom. I'm thinking open space, like a field, or maybe finishing work on Friday.
That is very relatable.
It just came. I didn't translate anything.
Did you see what happened? He went straight from the English word to a feeling. No detour through his native language. That is concept anchoring working in real time.
Okay, but what about complicated words? Like justice. I can't really picture justice.
Great question. For abstract words, link them to a scene, a moment. Think of a time something felt fair or unfair. That emotion is the meaning.
So the word lives in a feeling, not a translation.
Now you've got it.
My brain just did something different. I felt that.
And the more you practice this, the faster it gets. Eventually, it stops feeling like practice. It just becomes how you think.
That's actually kind of beautiful.
Don't get emotional, Berg. We still have a drill.
Right. Yes. Drill. Let's go.
Okay, this is the drill that will actually change how your brain works in English. 5 minutes a day, that's all it takes.
5 minutes? What do we do?
You narrate your morning routine in English, in your head, or out loud if you're alone. Everything. What you see, what you do, what you think.
Like a commentary?
Exactly like a commentary. On your own life. In English. Let's do it live right now. I'll start.
Okay. Go.
So this morning, I woke up and immediately my alarm went off 3 times because apparently I believe in second chances. I got up, walked to the kitchen, realized I had no coffee, considered going back to bed.
This is very honest.
Made tea instead, stared out the window for a while thinking about absolutely nothing. Then remembered I had to film this video. Panicked slightly. Here I am.
That was amazing. Okay, my turn.
Go ahead.
All right, so this morning I woke up and I looked at my phone first, obviously. Then I was hungry, but there was nothing in the kitchen, so I ate some biscuits and called it breakfast.
Biscuits?
They had chocolate on them, it counts.
It does not count.
Then I brushed my teeth, looked in the mirror, thought I looked quite good, actually.
Quite good.
Very good. And then I came here, and now I'm talking to you.
Did you notice what happened? He started slow, a little uncertain, but by the end, he was flowing. That is what 5 minutes a day does to your brain over time. You stop searching for words. They start arriving.
I wasn't translating just now. I was just talking.
That's thinking in English.
Oh.
Try it tomorrow morning. Narrate your breakfast, your commute, your shower, if you're comfortable with that. Whatever you do first. 5 minutes every day.
And make it weird. Weird details are easier to remember. Trust me.
Okay, fix-it corner. These are the kinds of mistakes people make when they're still thinking in their language first and translating second. Let's look at 3 and fix them.
I have definitely said all of these.
I know you have. That's why you're here. I am not understand. Very common. What's happening here?
Their brain translated the idea, I don't understand, but then put it into the wrong English structure.
Exactly. They're building the sentence in their language and converting it word by word. Someone thinking in English would never say, I am not understand, because the feeling itself, confusion, arrives before the grammar.
So what do we say instead?
I don't understand. Or even more naturally, I'm not following. Or, sorry, could you explain that?
I'm not following. That actually feels easier.
Because it's connected to a feeling. You feel lost. I'm not following captures that feeling directly.
Oh, I have said this.
Most people have. The word yesterday tells us it's past, but then the brain panics and adds have because it wants to make it feel important. The result is a tense collision.
So it should be,
Yesterday, I ate pizza. Simple past. The word yesterday already carries the time. You don't need to do any extra work.
yesterday I ate pizza. Feels lighter, actually.
And that's what thinking in English feels like. Lighter. Less work. not more.
I still do this.
We know. What's happening here is the brain knows the feeling. Something is really impressive. But it only has one word for it in English right now, so it repeats it for emphasis.
Because in my language, I might say something that means extremely or incredibly, but in English, I only grab very.
So let's expand that. Instead of very, very, very good, try he's brilliant. He's exceptional. He's incredible. Each word carries the intensity already built in. You don't need to stack very.
He's brilliant. He's exceptional. He's outstanding.
How does that feel?
Like I sound smarter without trying harder.
That is exactly the goal.
Okay, my brain hurts.
Good hurt or bad hurt?
Good hurt. Like after a workout. Something changed in there.
Something did change. You're starting to see language differently. Not as a code to crack, but as a feeling to connect to.
But okay, here's my next problem.
Tell me.
What about when someone speaks so fast that my brain can't keep up at all? Like I'm thinking in English now. Great, I'm concept anchoring, I feel good. And then someone just fires words at me like a machine gun and everything shuts down.
Ah.
That smile means you have an answer.
That's next week's problem. And we have the solution.
To you, camera, pointing. Subscribe because you need that episode.
And until then, practice your morning monologue. 5 minutes every day. Your brain will thank you.
And eat a real breakfast, not biscuits.
Said the man who had chocolate biscuits for breakfast.
They were good biscuits, Chloe.
See you next week.